Hi, I'm Akko from Japan. Today I'm in my kitchen and I'd like to show you my bento. Bento, bento. It's a typical Japanese quick lunch for busy Japanese business people. So I already made my bento. My bento has two floors, two layers. I'd like to show you the inside. The big one has rice with pickled plum. This one on the top is pickled plum, which is a preserved food, and it's very good for health. A little bit sour and salty, and I sprinkled black sesame around. And this small one has some ingredients. This one is deep fried chicken, leftover from last night, and boiled egg, mini tomato, and broccoli. And I'd like to show you this one. This one is sausage in the shape of octopus. We call this octopus sausage. Typical ingredients for bento. It's very easy to make this. Just to make some cuts at one end of the sausage and then grill. Then they open to be this shape. It's octopus sausage. One of the tips about making good bento is to put 5 different ingredients with 5 different colors: red, yellow, green, brown, and white. These 5 colors make your bento beautiful and nutritious as well. So, try to make your own bento and enjoy it and stay healthy.